Katikkiro Charles Peter Mayiga has commended the role played by the church in advancing education at all levels. Mayiga made the revelation while receiving a delegation of the Diocese of Nakuru from neighboring Kenya.
Is King Suna II. Now, the Europeans also came. The first European to come to Uganda, the first known European, there could have been others, but the first known European came in 1862. It was called John Hannington Speke. And he met King Mutesa I. He said he was coming to discover the source of the Nile. Can you believe that? We all knew where the source of the Nile was. But that's what he said. And then he was followed by many others. And one of them was Henry Morton Stanley. Henry Morton Stanley said he was coming to stamp out slave trade. And he was a missionary. But the story of stamping out the slave trade has a lot to do with the Industrial Revolution in Europe. Yes.
He welcomed the church for its job creation, thus helping to improve the lives of people and supporting the economy. The Bishop of Namirembe, Moses Banja, who introduced the delegation to Mayiga, promised to maintain the good relationship between the Anglican Church and Buganda.
Of bishops and all that, that one we actually explained to you the differences we have in the cathedral. We have special places for the Buganda Kingdom. And we have another side, a special place reserved for the Uganda, for the government of Uganda. But also, we have one of the important seats, the Kabaka's seat, is in the cathedral. So that shows the attachment that we have with the Buganda Kingdom. We are Baganda, we exist because of Buganda. They also work with us in many things. We can't do things when we forget about our brothers and sisters in the kingdom. That's why you had to come.
Bishop Anthony Mbambo of Nakuru commended Buganda for laying the foundation of Christian faith as well as offering land on which key church projects sit.
The other thing, as we're going around, you could see the issue of health. We went to Mengo Hospital and other places, and we could already hear the land was donated, the land was donated, the land was donated. And we came to realize that if there is something that is very positive that any kingdom or anything that anybody can do for the church is working together with the kingdoms or the government of the time. We have learned a lot concerning that partnership. We have learned a lot about you as the Kingdom of Buganda commitment to Christianity, because definitely by giving land and supporting the church shows that you have the commitment. We have learned a lot also how to respect our history.
He said that history shows that the kingdom has been very instrumental in supporting the church, which makes the relationship very cordial. William Rwanga, Beg Television.